Hello my dear students, welcome to the Sunrise Education Odisha. So our previous class was voice change. Today we learn a new chapter, that is narration change. Narration change or direct and indirect speech. Direct to indirect speech आम किभली परिवर्तन करिबा. डायरेक्ट स्पीच माने डायरेक्ट स्पीच तो प्रत्यक्षोक्ति. प्रत्यक्षोक्ति इनडायरेक्ट है परोक्षोक्ति. प्रत्यक्षोक्ति इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है परोक्षोक्ति. ओके, प्रत्यक्षोक्ति कौन? जड़े व्यक्ति निजे जो कथा कहूँ सेटा हमर डायरेक्ट स्पीच. से निजे जहाँ कहला सेटा हमर डायरेक्ट स्पीच. तार कथा को अन्य जने प्रकाश कले सेटा है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके, तेणु जदि जड़े व्यक्ति निजे जहाँ कहूँ सेटा को डायरेक्ट स्पीच कह जाए प्रत्यक्षोक्ति, एवं तार कथा को अन्य जने प्रकाश कले सेटा है परोक्षोक्ति इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके, तेबे आमे उदाहरण नबा. थर राम आ हरि दुई जन सांग. राम एवं हरि दुई जन. राम एंड हरि आर टू फ्रेंड्स. So Ram says to Hari, I am a student. Ram says, I am a student. राम कहूँ मु जड़े छात्र. यहाँ डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, से निजे कहूँ. राम सेज आई एम ए स्टूडेंट. मु जड़े छात्र निजे से प्रकाश कर. राम कथा को हरि प्रकाश कले हरि कौन कहब ना राम सेज दैट ही इज ए स्टूडेंट. जो राम कथा को हरि प्रकाश करुच्ची से कौन कहब ना राम कहे जे से जड़े छात्र. राम निजे कहला आई एम ए स्टूडेंट. राम निजे कहूँ जे आई एम ए स्टूडेंट, मु जड़े छात्र. राम कथा को हरि प्रकाश जिते करुच्ची राम कहे जे से जड़े छात्र. तेणु ये आम लक्ष्य करवा ये आमर किभली आमर एटा सब भर्ब प्रोनाउन गुड़िक किभली चेंज हो. टेन्स ये किभली चेंज हो. तेणु प्रथम आम लक्ष्य करवा राम सेज. एठी सेजटा को आमर रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब कहा जाए. एठी जो सेजटा आमर प्रेजेंट फॉर्म रे अछि, ए सेज को आमे रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब कहिबा. वी हैव टू ऑलवेज मार्क द रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब. आमे सब रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब को आमे लक्ष्य करिबा. जे रिपोर्टिंग भर्बटा प्रेजेंट टेंस रे रहउची, रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच मध्य प्रेजेंट टेंस रे रहिबो. तेणु ये आमर सेज राम सेज ये सेज है आमर रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब है. रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब इज इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म प्रेजेंट टेंस. राम सेज राम इज थर्ड पर्सन, सो एस इज एडेड टू द भर्ब. राम सेज. सेकेंड रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच आई एम ए स्टूडेंट. आई एम ए स्टूडेंट इट इज रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच दैट ही स्पीक्स. राम जहाँ कहला सीटा आमर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. ओके, ऑलवेज रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच इन इनवर्टेड कॉमा, इनवर्टेड और कोटेशन मार्क भीतर आमर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीचटा रोचे. इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे आमर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीचटा इनवर्टेड कॉमा बा उद्धृत चिन्ह भितर रोचे. एंड ऑलवेज वी हैव टू नोटिस द रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब. ये भर्बटा को आम रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब बोली कहबा. इफ रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब इज इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म देन रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच विल बी इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट टेंस. रिपोर्टिंग भर्बटा प्रेजेंट टेंस रहिले रिपोर्टिंग स्पीचटा मध्य प्रेजेंट टेंस रहिबो. रिपोर्टिंग भर्ब पास्ट टेंस रहिले रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच मध्य पास्ट टेंस रे रहिबो. सो we have to always mark the reporting verb. आम सब रिपोर्टिंग verb को ध्यान दबा. Here reporting verb is says. It is present form, present tense. Ram says, Ram कहे, I am a student. मु जने छात्र. When we change into indirect speech, direct to indirect, direct to indirect. So Ram says that he is a student. Here pronoun changes. In that speech, pronoun is I. Here pronoun is I. I am a student. मु जने छात्र. It is direct speech. DS short required DS direct speech. When you change into direct to indirect, as the reporting verb is present form says. So in the indirect speech, Ram says that. That हमें लिखिबा. Ram says that he is a student. राम कथा को हरि प्रकाश करुच्ची. हरि कहूँ जे राम कहे जे से जन छात्र अटे. से जन छात्र अटे. सो प्रोनाउन चेंजेस आई टू ही. प्रोनाउन आई एच फास्ट रे डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे प्रोनाउन चेंज है. ही आई टू ही इज ए स्टूडेंट. ओके. सो वी नोटिस्ड हियर व्हेन द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच इज when the reporting verb is in present form, then reporting speech will be in present tense also. Present tense. Reporting verb is the present tense. Reporting speech also is in present tense. When a reporting verb is past tense, here reporting verb said. Here reporting verb is said. Reporting verb. Say V2. V2 of say said. Ram said to me, I am your friend. Ram said to me, Ram मते कहला, I am your friend. मु तुमर सांगो. It is direct speech. It is direct speech DS. We have to mark the reporting verb said. Here it is reporting verb is said. So Ram said to me, Ram मते कहला, I am your friend. I am your friend. It is a reporting speech. Reporting speech. As a reporting verb is past form said. So reporting speech will be past tense also. So Ram told me that he was my friend. Pronoun changes I to he. Am was your my friend. So Ram told me that he was my friend. केतेबेले आम टोल्ड यूज करवा ना जितेबाला आमर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पर गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट थाए. ऑब्जेक्ट रहिले इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच से टोल्ड आम व्यवहार करवा. ये लक्ष्य करवा. राम सेड टू मी. सेड इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. मी टू मी इज ऑब्जेक्ट. तेणु ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पर ऑब्जेक्ट अच्छी. जेहेतु ऑब्जेक्ट अच्छी indirect speech आम टोल्ड यूज कले. Always you have to mark here when there is an object after reporting verb. In indirect speech we use told. So Ram told me that he was my friend. He was my friend. It is indirect speech. IS. Indirect speech. Okay. So here we change the direct to indirect speech. First, here reporting verb is present form. So reporting speech is also in present. Here reporting verb is past said, past tense. So reporting speech is also past form. I am your friend. Here he was my friend. He told me that. As here said is reporting verb past tense. So in Indian speech, we say, Ram told me that. Here, me is object. So, here there is object after the reporting verb. In Indian speech, we have to use told. So, Ram told me that he was my friend. So, these two sentences are very important. Important in direct to in Indian speech. When you change direct to Indian speech, we have to mark these two things. They are very important. Always you have to mark reporting verb. Reporting verb and reporting speech. This is called reporting verb. This is called reporting speech. That is speak. That is speaks. जहाँ से कहे से डाला reporting speech. Okay. So here reporting verb is past tense. So reporting speech was also in past tense. Okay. Ram said to me, I am your friend. As reporting verb is past tense. So when we changed direct to indirect, then we wrote Ram told me that he was my friend. So where we use told instead of said, when there is an object after the reporting verb. The reporting verb पर गोटे object रहुचे सेतेले आमे said परिवर्ते told आम व्यवहार करूचे indirect speech रे. Okay. Next example. He says to me, I am your friend. He says to me, I am your friend. Here reporting verb is present form says. से मते कहे जे मु तुमर संग. He says to me, I am your friend. And after says, there is object. There is the object me. So when you change into direct to indirect, so he tells. Instead of says, we use tells. He tells that. He tells that he is my friend. He is my friend. से मोर सांग बोली कहिला कहे. इट इज इंडियन स्पीच. कहला नहीं. he tells that he is my friend. He is my friend. Okay. Next, he says to me, you are my friend. Always we have to understand the meaning of the sentence or reporting speech. जोटा रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच रोची तार अर्थ आम ओडिया रे अर्थ बुझिबा. देन इट विल बी इजी टू चेंज डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट. ही सेज टू मी से मते कहे यू आर माय फ्रेंड. तुम्हें मोर सांग. तुम्हें मोर सांग. ओके. सो ही टेल्स मी दैट आई एम हिज फ्रेंड. से मत कहे मु तार सांग. ता कथा मु प्रकाश करुच्ची. एज हियर इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट इज मी. जेहेतु ऑब्जेक्ट मी अच्छी. ही से मत कहे यू आर माय फ्रेंड. तुम्हें मोर सांग. ता कथा को आमे प्रकाश करवा मुझे निजे प्रकाश करी. सो ही सेज ही टेल्स. As here is object me, so he tells that I am his friend. Okay. He tells that I am his friend. I am his friend. It is indirect speech. Okay. Next, Sita says to me, I know you. Sita says to me, I know you. मु तुम सीता कहे जे मु तुमको जाने सीता सेज टू मी आई नो यू सो व्हेन चेंज इनटू डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट सीता सीता टेल्स सीता टेल्स दैट सीता कहे जे से मत जाने से गला आई नो यू मु तुमको जाने तो ता कथा को आम प्रकाश करिबा सो सीता टेल्स दैट सी नोज मी से मत जाने बोली कहला इट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच ओके सीता टेल्स दैट सी नोज मी से मत जाने बोली जानी बोली कहला कहे इट प्रेजेंट फॉर्म सीता टेल्स सीता कहे जे से मत जाने दे से टू मी वी हेल्प यू नाउ वी आर चेंजिंग डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट on reporting verb here reporting verb in present tense present form रे थी हम reporting verb नहीं करी हमें direct to indirect करछे reporting verb रे present form नहीं कर reporting verb को present form नहीं करी हमें direct to indirect change करछे next we change in past form when the reporting verb is in past form then reporting speech will be past form also. Now we are changing reporting verb in present form. Present form. Here say they say to me. सेमान मते कहंती they say to me we help you. We help you. So change into direct to indirect. So they tells me they tell me they tell me they tell me आम्भे मैंने तुमको साहाଯ୍य करूँ वी हेल्प यू मैं दे विल हेल्प अस दे टेल मी दैट they help me they tell me that they help me से मते कहती जे से मते साहाଯ୍य करती से साहाଯ୍य करती ओके he says I should help myself he says here says is present for repeating verb he says से कहे I should help myself मु निजे को साहाଯ୍य करबा उचित so change into direct to indirect he tells here says he says there is no object here there is no object here after repeating verb एठी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पर ऑब्जेक्ट नाही तेणु से सेज रहिबो सो ही सेज दैट he says that he should pronoun change है pronoun I to he so he says that he should help himself okay it is indirect speech next example he said to me I did not cheat you he said to me I did not cheat you मु तो ठकी नथिली so change into indirect he tells me that he tells me that he did not cheat me he did not cheat me. Okay, it is indirect speech. Direct to indirect. Okay, he tells me that he did not cheat me. I said to Mohan, you are my best friend. I said to Mohan, ମୁଁ ମୋହନ को कहे you are my best friend, तुम मोर भल सांग. I said to Mohan, you are my best friend. So I tell to Mohan, as Mohan is object after say, verb say, so use tell. I tell to Mohan that he is my best friend. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. It is indirect speech. Okay. I said to her, मुता कहे. I said to her. Here reporting verb is say, present form. I said to her, I can teach you. I can teach you. So change into indirect. I tell her. Say after her is object. So I tell her that I can teach her. I can teach her. It is indirect speech. I said to her, मुता कहे I can teach you. मु तुमको पढ़े पारे. So I tell her that I can teach her. ताको पढ़े पारे. Okay. The child says to her mother, I love you. The child says to her mother, I love you. It is direct speech. So change into indirect. The child tells her mother. As says after, there is object. So we used to tell, verb tell. The child tells her mother that she loves her. It is indirect speech. Okay. The child tells her mother that she loves her. Robbie says to Radha. Robbie says to Radha. Radha is her object. I have been helping you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରି ଆସୁଅଛି. I have been helping you. It is present progressive. Present perfect progressive. I have been helping you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରି ଆସୁଅଛି. So change into indirect. So Robbie tells Radha. Robbie tells Radha that he has been. Pronoun changes. I to he. Here subject is Robbie. So that he has been helping. He has been he has been helping her से ताको साहाଯ୍य करी आसु अच्छी से ताको साहाଯ୍य करी आसु अच्छी इट इज indirect speech. Okay, so here we take many examples in present form. In present form, when the reporting verb is present form, we change the direct to indirect speech, and we know that here reporting verb and reporting speech. So according to reporting verb, reporting speech changes. Okay, next change of tense. When you change the direct to indirect, we see change of tense. If there is a simple present in direct speech, then it will be simple past in indirect speech. If the sentence is simple present in direct speech, then in indirect speech it will be simple past. Okay, simple present in direct, simple present in indirect, simple past. In direct present continuous, in indirect past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. So here change of tense from direct to indirect speech. Second, simple past in direct speech. It is if simple past, then it will be past perfect in indirect speech. In direct speech, simple past, it will be past perfect in indirect speech. So tense changes. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. In indirect speech there is past continuous. In direct speech there is past continuous. It is past perfect continuous. It will be in indirect speech. Past perfect, no change of tense. If there is past perfect in direct speech, there is no change of tense in indirect speech. Past perfect continuous in direct speech, past perfect continuous, no change of tense also. Next, direct speech रे shall will थिले, indirect रे should would. modal should के change होची. Direct speech रे shall will थिले, indirect speech रे would और should होची. समझी can, could, may, might. Am, is, are changes to was, were. Okay, if there is am, is, are in direct speech, then it changes to was, were in indirect speech. Have, has, it changes to had. Was, were changes to had been in indirect speech. Direct speech was, were. In direct speech, if there is was, were, then it changes to had been in indirect speech. Had 2 plus V1 changes to had 2 plus V1 in indirect speech. Then could, should, would, might in direct speech, could, should, would, might. There is no change in indirect speech. Examples. She said to me, I am to help you. It is direct speech. He said to me, I am to help you. So I have told you that always you have to mark the reporting verb. Here the reporting verb said. Okay. So it is direct speech change into indirect speech. So she said, she told. As there is object after said पर एठी हम ऑब्जेक्ट मी अच्छी तेणु हम टोल्ड एठी आम यूज करिबा. सो सी टोल्ड मी दैट आई एम टू हेल्प यू. शी said to me I am to help you. So she told me that she was to help me. It is the indirect speech. ताको मते साहाय्य करिवार थिला. She told me that she was to help me. Okay. Pronoun changes. As it is here reporting verb is said, so it is in past form. I am to help you. She was to help me. She told me that she was to help me. Okay. My son said to me, I am doing my lesson. I am doing my lesson, it is present progressive. When you change into indirect speech, so my son told me that my son told me that he was doing his lesson. He was से तार पाठ करथला बोली कहला. He was doing his lesson. It is indirect speech. Okay. I am doing my lesson. My son told me that he was doing his lesson. Next example. Gita said to Ram, I have always helped you. Said after object is Ram. So Gita told Ram. Gita told Ram. Gita told Ram that she had always helped me. It is indirect speech. Okay. Gita told Ram that she had always helped him. This is Ram. So she helped him. से ताको साहाय्य करतला बोले सब बेले साहाय्य करतला बोले कहिला. Okay. Gita told Ram that she had always helped him. My father said to me, बापा मते कहले, I wanted to give you a bicycle. Okay. My father told me. My father told me. My father told me that he wanted. My father said to me, I wanted to give you a bicycle. So my father told me that he wanted. It is past simple. So change into past perfect. He had wanted. He had wanted to give me to give him a bicycle. Okay, I wanted to give you a bicycle. It is a past simple. It is a past simple. So my father told me that he had wanted to give him a bicycle. He said to the boys, I was playing with you. I was playing with you. It is a past progressive. It is a past progressive. So change into indirect. So he told the boys. He told the boys that he had been playing with him. He had been playing with them. Boys, there is boys plural, so object is them. He told the boys that he had been playing with them. Okay, from direct to indirect on universal truth. Universal truth means चिरंतन सत्य, जोटा कौन से परिवर्तन हुए ना. चिरंतन सत्य. सूर्य पूर्व दिगरे उदय होती, पश्चिम दिगरे अस्त जाती. These are the universal truth. So they never change in indirect speech. When you change from direct to indirect, it does not change. The reporting verb does not change. Okay. So notice here. Exception, universal truth. Universal truth, चिरंतन सत्य. He said the earth is round. से कहले पृथ्वी गोलोटे. It is direct speech. He said the earth is round. Here reporting verb is said. Reporting verb is said. The reporting speech is universal truth. Reporting speech is universal truth. Okay, as there is reporting verb past in past, so there is no change in reporting verb, reporting speech, as it is universal truth. So its indirect speech is he said that he said that the earth is round. पृथ्वी गोल अटे. The earth is round. Okay, it is indirect speech. Indirect speech. Father said to me, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. माने सरलता ही सबुठारो सर्वश्रेष्ठ चालाकी. Honesty is the best policy. हम जिते सरल हवा सेते भल. So father said to me, honesty is the best policy. So when you change into direct to indirect, father told me. My father told me. Here we used to told instead of said, as after said there is a object me. So my father told me that honesty is the best policy. Best policy. It is indirect speech. Honesty is the best policy. It is universal truth. ओके, सचोटता बा सरलता ही सबुठारो सर्वश्रेष्ठ चालाकी. ऑनेस्टी द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. ही रिमार्क्ड ए बेड कारपेंटर क्वारल्स विथ हिज टूल्स. ही रिमार्क्ड ए बेड कारपेंटर क्वारल्स विथ हिज टूल्स. चाली न जाने बाटर दोष. चाली न जाने बाटर दोष. काटी न जाने कटुरी दोष. कटुरी कटुरी दोष. So it means it is a English proverb. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. चाली न जाने बाटर दोष, काटी न जाने कटुरी दोष. So it is a universal truth. It is a universal truth. So he remarked that when he changed into indirect, he remarked that a bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. Quarrels with his tools. हथियार जंत्र. It is a indirect speech. It is a indirect speech. Okay. He says 2 and 2 is 4. 2 and 2 is 4. 2 2 मिसे 4 हुए. It is universal truth. So he says that 2 and 2 is 4. 2 and 2 is 4. It is indirect speech. Okay. The teacher said, labor never goes in vain. The teacher said, labor never goes in vain. परिश्रम केबे वृथा हुए ना. परिश्रम केबे वृथा हुए ना. It is a universal truth. So the teacher said that the teacher said that labor never goes in vain. Labor परिश्रम. Labor never goes in vain. परिश्रम के वृथा जाए ना. It is indirect speech. It is indirect speech. So here we noticed the universal truth. It does not change in indirect speech. Okay. The reporting verb is past form, but the reporting speech does not change. So these are universal truth. Next, change of other parts of speech. Change of other parts of speech. Parts of speech means here change of adverbs. Adverbs. If there is this, these, here, hence in that speech. In indirect speech it changes that, those, there, hence, thence, etc. Indirect there is this. In indirect it will be that. It changes to that. This changes to those. Here changes to there. Hence changes to thence. Now changes to then. Now changes to then. Thus changes to so. Thus यही भली. Thus changes to so. Today changes to that day. Today changes to that day. Yesterday changes to the day before or the previous day. The day before or the previous day. The day before yesterday. In direct there is the day before yesterday. It changes to 2 days before. In indirect it changes to 2 days before. 2 days before. Tomorrow changes to the next day. Tomorrow changes to next day. Next week changes to the following week. Next week changes to the following week. Last week changes to the previous week. Last week changes to the previous week or last year the previous year. Okay. A year ago changes to a year before or the previous year. ए ईयर एगो वर्षे पूर्वर ए ईयर एगो चेंजेस टू ए ईयर बिफोर और द previous year. So these are the adverbs. Adverbs changes direct to indirect. Next example, change of other parts of speech. Solve the examples. So he said, I am busy today. I am busy today. So in indirect, he said that he was busy. Pronoun changes. He was busy. He was busy that day. Today changes to that day. Okay, it is indirect speech. Today changes to that day. Today adverb changes to that day. Okay. She said, I shall do it tomorrow. I shall do it tomorrow. So she said that she would do it the day after. Or the following day. Instead of tomorrow, use the day after. The day after. Okay. She said that she would do it the day after. He said, I don't like this boy. He said, I don't like this boy. So from direct to indirect, he said that he did not like. He didn't like that boy. That boy. Okay, it is a indirect speech. They said, we are starting the day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. Didina tole tararth. They said that. They in indirect. They said that they were starting. Pronoun changes we to they. So they were starting 2 days before. 2 days before. The day after, the adverb, the day after tomorrow changes to 2 days before. It is indirect speech. Okay. He said, she died a year ago. So ବର୍ଷେ ତଳେ ମରିଗଲା. He said she died a year ago. So in indirect, he said that she had died. She had died. As a reporting speech is past simple. She died a year ago. It is past simple. So ବର୍ଷେ ତଳେ ମରିଗଲା. It is in direct speech. When you changes into indirect speech, it will past perfect. It changes to past perfect. So he said that she had died. She had died a year ago. He had died a year ago. A year ago. It is indirect speech. He said, "This is my table." This is my table. So he said that in indirect, he said that this was his table. This or that have ନାହିଁ. As it particulars, he said that this was his table. This was his table. Okay, it is a indirect speech.